Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm. Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. And by the way, thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing individual videos with individuals who you think would benefit from or enjoy or appreciate a particular appropriate video for them. Maybe send them a personal note. Hey, here's a link. It's under 3 minutes. I think this would serve you. Appreciate that. Obviously, liking and subscribing and commenting and online reviews, donations, all that kind of stuff helps. It's called today's Tàijíquán Tip for a reason. Tip is a double entendre. At any rate, it's been kind of lightly raining for the last few hours. And for the last hour, I was mowing the lawn, right? So after I kind of do the edges, the bounds, kind of suss out the bounds of what I'm doing, then I more or less, in a sort of meditative manner, have a back and forth, right, sort of process to fill in, to cover all that ground, right? And I was kind of thinking about that in terms of my own practice, right? My practice, right, I sort of established the bounds, maybe doing the hard part, like I only have 3 minutes to practice, or I need to make sure I work on that breathing technique I was doing, or I need to keep an eye out for that principle I lose sight of, or whatever. Or I physically, geometrically, these are my bounds. This is where I'll run out of room or out of sunlight or what have you. But then, when I'm mowing, you don't want to leave a patch undone, right? You want to kind of cover all that ground. And I was kind of thinking about that in terms of Tai Chi Chuan. Doesn't my practice cover all the ground I intend it to? And so perhaps in my practice, I can consider what are the stations that I want to meet. What are the beats I want to hit if it was a screenplay? What are the principles that I want to cover? What are the elements of Tai Chi Chuan, at least as I understand it? And maybe I come up with 2 things or 16 things or 300, whatever. But then I just want to make sure that I cover that ground in my practice, that I don't just get distracted by or focused on one particular or one particular thing or a few particular things. I want to make sure I cover the ground. So at the end of my practice, I can say, well, I've been everywhere. Some part of my practice covered everything. So thank you very much. And I would like to thank you for your practice. Appreciate you. Thank you.